Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning AI for content, design and presentation support. Tools, Canva AI, Copy.ai, ChatGPT, Tome, SlidesAI. Goal, learn how to support your clients with branded content, visual design, and stunning presentations by integrating powerful AI tools into your workflow. Section 1, Why this matters. As a virtual assistant, you may be asked to create pitch decks or slides, draft social media captions or articles, build branded designs, assist with reports or ebooks, prepare documents for internal or client presentations. Doing this manually is time-consuming. AI helps you write content faster and better, generate designs from text, automate layout and formatting, deliver polished materials even with little design experience. Section 2, Key AI Tools and what they do. ChatGPT, your brainstorming and drafting assistant. Best for outlining articles or presentation flow, rewriting or summarizing content, creating captions, tweets, blog intros, product descriptions, polishing professional communication. Examples: write a 5-slide outline for a startup pitch deck, create Instagram captions for a skincare brand's July promo, reword this paragraph to sound more formal and persuasive. Copy.ai, AI writing for marketing and content. Best for fast content generation, ads, web copy, social content, templates for sales emails, landing pages, product descriptions, voice and tone control, content idea generation. Use case: client runs a wellness brand. You can generate Instagram bio ideas, email subject lines, product taglines, blog content outlines. Canva AI, Magic Design, Magic Write, Magic Edit. Best for designing presentations, social posts, ebooks, and flyers. Writing content directly inside Canva with Magic Write. Generating slide layouts from prompts. Editing images with Magic Edit. Workflow: enter your idea, create a 6-slide deck for a digital marketing strategy. Canva generates slides instantly. Use AI to rewrite or polish the text on each slide. Add brand colors, logos, and publish. Tome, AI-powered narrative presentations. Best for quick creation of story-style presentations. Interactive decks with images, charts, and animations. Pitch decks, reports, and storytelling. Features: type a single prompt and Tome generates an entire visual presentation. Automatically selects layouts, icons, and background images. Includes AI-generated charts and copy. Use case: your client needs a proposal deck for a new product launch. You can draft it in 10 minutes with Tome. SlidesAI.io, turn text into presentations. Best for Google Slides users. Turning meeting notes or plain text into formatted slides. Automating slide design and copy creation. Use case: paste in a transcript or article. SlidesAI suggests slide titles, bullet points, and layout options, saving hours of manual formatting. Section 3, Step-by-step workflow example. Let's say your client asks for a presentation on sustainable packaging trends in 2025. Step 1, use ChatGPT or Copy.ai. Prompt: outline a 7-slide presentation on sustainable packaging trends in 2025. Receive: intro, the key stats, trend breakdown, solutions, and call to action. Step 2, create slides in Tome or SlidesAI. Paste outline into Tome or SlidesAI. Customize layouts, colors, brand fonts. Add icons or charts, auto-suggested. Step 3, edit and polish with Canva AI. Import to Canva if preferred. Use Magic Edit to change images or backgrounds. Adjust typography and branding. Result: you go from prompt to finished deck in 20 to 30 minutes. Section 4. Design support tasks you can handle with AI. Presentation decks for internal or client use. Instagram, Facebook/TikTok content designs. LED magnet design, PDFs, checklists, etc. Weekly newsletter banners. Ebooks or reports for digital product launches. Rebranding support, social kit templates, color palette suggestions. Section 5. Real client scenarios. Task. Tool. Result. Client wants weekly carousels. ChatGPT plus Canva AI. Script plus visual in under 1 hour. Client requests product pitch deck. Tome. 10-slide interactive deck. Client sends long report. SlidesAI. Visual summary deck in Google Slides. Client needs social captions. Copy.ai. 30-day content calendar in minutes. Section 6. Class activity. Choose one of the following prompts. Create a 6-slide presentation for a digital course launch. Design an Instagram carousel promoting time management tips. Write a product description and email for a fitness challenge. Use the tools. ChatGPT or Copy.ai for the script. Canva AI or Tome for design. Post your final piece in the class forum. Optional challenge: recreate it in another tool and compare output speed/quality. Section 7. Tips for high-quality client support. Always align designs with brand guidelines. Use AI to get drafts fast, but apply your judgment for tone, clarity, and relevance. Save templates to reuse across clients. Keep a swipe file or template library organized by content type. Section 8. Downloadables. You'll get sample Canva AI presentation templates. Prompt bank for content generation, caption, carousel, email, presentation. AI tool comparison chart, strengths and weaknesses of each. Brand style guide checklist to align content with your client's brand. By the end of this class, you can use AI to create professional designs, social content, and presentations. Support clients in branding, marketing, and visual storytelling. Streamline creative tasks even if you're not a designer. Deliver high-quality, on-brand assets faster and more efficiently. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.